Akshata Agarwal, and as part of Abhyas Law Prep's PPE competition, I have decided to speak about the criminalizing of triple talaq. This was done by the Parliament by passing the Muslim Women Protection of Rights of Marriage Bill 2019. This bill was passed on January 12, 2019. Triple talaq, also known as instant talaq or talaq-e-biddat. Before getting into details, let us first understand what are the ways of dissolving a marriage available to the Muslims through Muslim law. There are 4 channels, that is, by the husband, by wife, by mutual consent, or by the judicial proceedings. Triple talaq is available only to the husband, therefore we will discuss only the ways available to the husband. There are 2 practices, that is talaq-e-sunnat and talaq-e-biddat. Talaq-e-sunnat further has 2 more practices, that is talaq-e-hasan and talaq-e-hasan. These are considered pure forms of divorce because these provide a chance for reconciliation and arbitration, whereas talaq-e-biddat has no chance of reconciliation and hence it is considered as bad practice or bad form of divorce. Let us know some important points of triple talaq. It is a process of dissolution of marriage under Sharia law. Husband can divorce instantly by pronouncing talaq 3 times in one single sitting, either orally or through Skype, WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. This practice is not revocable unlike the other 2. It is usually practiced by the followers of Hanafi school of Islamic law. Around 20 Islamic countries, including Pakistan, Indonesia, Syria, Turkey, and many others, have criminalized triple talaq. Therefore, there is no reason for a democratic and secular country like India to continue following this. Let us learn some important case laws which have led to the development of Muslim Women's Act. First one is Shah Banu case of 1985. She questioned the maintenance to be provided to the woman after the iddat period. Iddat period is of roughly 90 days, and the Supreme Court said that Section 125 of All India Criminal Code provides for maintenance to wife and children to all citizens irrespective of their religion. However, under pressure, the then government made it inapplicable to Muslim women. The second case is of Daniel Latifi, where it was challenged that Muslim Women Act violated right to equality under Article 14 and 15 and right to life under Article 21. The Supreme Court said that the amount given during the iddat period should be large enough for the wife to survive during and after the iddat period, that is, till her lifetime or till she remarries. The third case is of Sarla Mudgal, where the question was whether a Hindu man married under Hindu law by embracing Islam can solemnize second marriage. The court said that the Hindu marriage under Hindu law can only be dissolved on the grounds mentioned in Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Now let us see what was the case of triple talaq, the Shaira Banu case versus Union of India. Shaira Banu was the wife of Rizwan Ahmad, who was given talaq by following the triple talaq custom. She challenged this and filed a writ petition against 3 Muslim practices: triple talaq, nikah halala, and polygamy. Nikah halala is where a woman after divorce shall remarry, consummate her marriage, divorce that husband, and follow the iddat period. Only then can she marry again. Polygamy is a practice where a Muslim man is allowed to have more than one wife. In February 2017, the Supreme Court decided to hear the case and constituted a 5-judge bench headed by the then CJI Jagdish Kehar, Justices Abdul Nazir, Kurian Joseph, Rohinton Nariman, and UU Lalit. On August 22, 2017, by 3-2 majority, the Supreme Court declared triple talaq as illegal. Later, the Lok Sabha passed the Muslim Protection Act bill in 2017, but it lapsed in Rajya Sabha. In September 2018, Cabinet cleared the ordinance and it declared triple talaq punishable with a fine and 3-year jail term. Finally, in July 2019, the bill passed in both the houses and received President's assent, and it thus became a law. Now let us see what the Supreme Court said about the case and what was its verdict. This verdict can be divided into three parts, that is of Chief Justice Jagdish Kehar and Justices Abdul Nazir. Second part is of Justices Nariman and UU Lalit, and third of Justice Kurian Joseph. So Justice Abdul Nazir and CJ Jagdish Kehar said that the triple talaq practice is a part of Muslim personal law and the judiciary shall not interfere. This was protected under Article 25, that is freedom to religion, and they said let Parliament decide, let Parliament make a call. Whereas Justice Nariman and UU Lalit said that triple talaq is arbitrary. There is no scope of reconciliation like other two forms and it violates women's fundamental rights. Therefore, through Article 14, equality before law, Supreme Court has the power to declare it unconstitutional. Justice Kurian Joseph said that triple talaq is un-Islamic. It is not an essential religious practice of Muslim. Therefore, by 3:2 majority, it was criminalized. Finally, let's talk about the provisions of the bill. Triple talaq is a cognizable offence by which police officer can arrest a person without an arrest warrant. There is a provision for punishment, and the punishment shall be to pay a fine amount and 3-year jail term. To check the nature of offence, the cognizable nature of offence, only the aggrieved woman or any of her relation by blood or marriage can file a case. There is also a provision for bail. Bail may be granted by a magistrate only after hearing the aggrieved woman, and the offence may be compounded. Compounding means the woman might decide to take back the case in exchange of money or consideration or any other means of arbitration. Finally, the divorced woman is also entitled to seek custody of her minor children and maintenance for her and her dependent children. Finally, after knowing all the provisions and details about the triple talaq bill, do you think that putting a ban on such a practice alone will abolish the practice? What are your views? Thank you.